cheated, lied to, or scammed? She's tackling every opportunity to make something that's going wrong right. Better call Bankin.
And our Better Call Bankin investigation has found even more trouble for Pinellas Marcite finishers.
The St. Petersburg company is accused of collecting tens of thousands of dollars, draining swimming pools, and then running off without finishing the work. And that's when customers knew they had better call Bankin because nobody wants green water in the backyard. And some of these pools are a mess, Shannon.
They really are, guys. And Sue Fortenberry and her husband, they've both been arrested previously on similar allegations, but they've continued to run their business even though they don't have the proper licenses to do business in some Bay Area counties. Lydia Del Chiardi hired Pinellas Marcite finishers because they did a good job for her years ago. Big mistake now. She's out more than $4,000 and left with a green, unfinished pool.
She's taking the money, robbing Peter to pay Paul. All of a sudden, she'll take somebody else's deposit, do a little bit of work here to keep me happy, and then move on. And she doesn't finish a job.
What Lydia didn't know when she hired the company is that Principal Sue Fortenberry faces felony charges from arrest in 2016 and 2018, accused of grand theft and unlicensed contracting. While she waits on the legal system, she's continued to sell jobs all over the Bay Area, Pinellas, Hillsborough, Pasco counties. I found that while Sue does have a state contracting license set to expire next month, she does not have the local licenses required to do business. What she does have is a growing list of angry customers who want their money back. One of them is Dan McIntyre. He turned to Better Call Bankin after he says Sue took off with $5,280 in his retirement money and left his pool like this. So do you think when she took your money, she knew that she had no intention of finishing this pool?
Yes, I absolutely believe that. I absolutely believe that.
The Pinellas County Sheriff's Office tells me they have 2 open complaints into Sue Fortenberry. That's in addition to the 12 complaints that are already under investigation by Pinellas Consumer Protection.
So the company's no longer working on any of these pools. I mean, if you got a green pile of water in your backyard, that's just going to stay. Is anybody getting their money back, though?
Well, I've been asking people that because people have just been begging to get their money back. I spoke with one attorney today who tells me that his client has received 3 monthly payments of $100 each. Many more customers, though, tell me they haven't seen a dime of the promised refunds. And at $100 a month on one job, it's going to take a long time.
Yeah. All right. Thank you, Shannon. If you have a problem that needs solving, better call Bankin. That number is 1-855-BANKIN.